Hello everyone and welcome to deanspuppies.com. I am going to introduce you to our new arrival, Teddybear puppies. The mom had 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 babies. I am going to go through each one to see the color and the gender. Here we have sable white, and he is a boy with a beautiful marking. This one here, black and white, and he is a boy. This one here is a female with a beautiful marking, look like a heart shape. The fourth one is black male with white on the chest area, and the last one is grayish brown white mixed, and he is a boy with heart shape on his head. As you see guys, the mom did a great job, and I just cleaned and sanitized their box, placed carpet all the way on the bottom, 2 inches of wood shaving to absorb urine, and 2 inches of straw to give him comfortable bed. Of course the mom will rearrange it the way she wants it. At least those puppies are healthy and active. Today they are 24 hours old. I usually update the video every 2 weeks when the puppies are due for their first warmer, second warmer and third warmer. Of course, until they reach 6 weeks old, they receive their first shot and the third warmer. I will try my best to update this video. Anyway guys, if you have any question, you can either visit my website www.deanspuppies.com or simply call my cell phone number 502-855-0323. This is Louisville, Kentucky, USA. I wish you all to find your best companion, and thank you so much for watching my video. We'll see you next later.